To create a CoinLedger account, start by going to the CoinLedger website and clicking on the Sign Up button. This will take you to a registration page where you will need to provide some basic information, such as your email address and password. Choose a strong and unique password to protect your account. Once you have entered your email address and password, click on the Create Account button. You will then receive an email from CoinLedger to verify your email address. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. After verifying your email address, log into your CoinLedger account using your email address and password. You will be taken to the dashboard where you can start setting up your account. The first step is to add your cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets. CoinLedger supports a wide range of exchanges and wallets, so you should be able to find the ones you use. To add an exchange or wallet, click on the Add Account button and select the exchange or wallet you want to add. You will then be prompted to enter your API key or login credentials. This will allow CoinLedger to connect to your exchange or wallet and import your transaction data. Once you have added all of your exchanges and wallets, CoinLedger will start importing your transaction data. This may take a few minutes, depending on the number of transactions you have. Once the import is complete, you can start using CoinLedger to track your cryptocurrency investments and generate tax reports. It is also important to set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This will require you to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password when you log in. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can create a CoinLedger account and start using it to manage your cryptocurrency investments. CoinLedger is a powerful tool that can help you track your investments and generate tax reports, making it an essential tool for anyone who invests in cryptocurrency.